Welcome to the November update for our representation activities. We are the voice of Insurance Brokers of Australia, and we are very proudly taking the message about the role and the value of brokers to governments and others in some really important areas. At the federal level, the Minister has introduced legislation into the Parliament on professionalism in financial advice. Because of the work we've been doing over the last 2 years, general insurance is exempted from that process, so we're very proud of the fact that insurance brokers won't have to go out and get university degrees, do annual exams and other activities to maintain or meet new requirements for professional advice. So that's an important win that we've had for our members across the country. The other part which is critical for federal is legislation to regulate in commissions in life insurance. That's before the Parliament. We're watching the progress of that one very carefully as well. We're also talking to the government and to Treasury about the funding of ASIC. The government has put out a proposal for raising of funds from industry right across financial services to fund ASIC. We are trying to understand exactly how that will impact on brokers. We think this year's model is far better than the model they produced last year. They've been listening to our concerns, and we'll continue to work with Treasury to understand exactly what the impact will be, and we'll put that out to our members when it becomes apparent. Our other main area of work, though, over the month has been in New South Wales for homeowners warranty, the Home Building Compensation Fund. There's some major reforms happening there. We're very worried about some of those reforms, particularly the proposed abolition of commissions for brokers operating in the area, despite the important work that they do for builder clients. We're also looking at changes to New South Wales CTP. There's some proposals there, and also the proposed changes for the issuing of policies for workers' comp. So quite a lot of activities happening in New South Wales for New South Wales iCare. But the other part of New South Wales, of course, is the continuing phase out of the emergency services fire levy. Again, we warn all brokers to be very careful with this phase out process. The Monitor is actively reviewing all of the conduct of insurers and brokers through this period. So we've put out extensive information. We want all brokers to very carefully follow our guidance in this area. So it's quite a lot happening. Things are not yet slowing down towards the end of the year. There's lots of work to do, and we're continuing to be the voice of brokers right across Australia to governments at the federal and the state level where required. Thanks for your attention.